What's up, Coral Gables? It's your friendly neighborhood roofing specialist, Juan Zapata, and I'm here to talk to you about cooked roofs. A lot of the times customers will ask us, Juan, how do I know if my roof is ready to go or not? Aside from the fact that there could be active leaks telling you the roof is ready to go, check this out. When your flat roof looks like this, where there's more black than there is gray, it's probably time to redo your roof. This roof has lost basically all of its granules. Granules help with reflectivity, keeps the sun from burning up the system underneath. So what's happening now is this particular customer is experiencing not only leaks, but a full deterioration of their roof system. For more information about cooked roofs, or if you really just want to get more information about anything involving roofing, hit us up, 786-523-4999, or as my boss always says, sign up for our newsletter. It's got all kinds of information about this. We got giveaways, we got prizes, we got fun facts. I don't want to tell you anymore because then you might not subscribe. So subscribe, rate, review us, do it all, and see you on the next roof.